Twitter's sizzling single taking over TikTok. Now he's thinking about me every night.
Oh, yeah. This take over now.
We're seeing so much success with Espresso because it's like a perfect summer song. Like it is up-tempo, fun, catchy, dancey pop song that can be enjoyed by a large group of people.
It's a recipe for summertime success that Rick Springfield found.
This? Oh.
Nelly bringing the heat back in 2002. Slay Jepsen rang in 2012. And this year, Espresso has some stiff competition from Shabuzi's bar song.
Who?
Taylor's Fortnite. And Jump by Tyler.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer.
And despite his arrest just a month ago,
Yeah.
currently on top
It's had to get musicals out to the top summer. I say, guys. Man, it just bought EOMS soon.
We are programming at the request of the Weather Service to activate the emergency alert system. The National Weather Service is a thunderstorm warning for southwestern EAS County and north central Comanche County until 7:45. An intense thunderstorm is near De Leon, or about 15 miles west of the town of Dublin, moving east 25 miles.
With Memorial Day savings from the Home Depot.
Within the last hour or so, the National Weather Service issued a tornado warning for this same storm. It has weakened considerably in the meantime, but a severe thunderstorm warning in effect now for southwestern ERAS and north central Comanche counties until 7:45. A severe thunderstorm near De Leon, or 15 miles west of Dublin, moving east at 25 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
They're just EOMS soon already.
We are under a severe thunderstorm.
Oh dear, there's no EOMS soon. We have it today at WBAP. This is a relay. That's not relay. Because the EOMS already, the EOMS soon. The audio just is not the message. This is not the message. How many times we interrupt programming, because it also means the WBAP 820 and 933. Yeah, agree. So that's one. This is the rest of the EOMS. Let's do this! W4. Slow. WBAP.
A severe thunderstorm suspected of producing a tornado is located 8 miles northwest of Sanger, moving east at 45 miles per hour. The center of this storm will cross I-35 just south of Valley View. The community of Valley View is in a direct path of this tornadic warned thunderstorm. Flying debris can be dangerous to those caught outside without shelter. Mobile homes can be destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This storm is approaching Sanger at this moment, also Valley View at this time, and will eventually approach Lake Ray Roberts Park and Park Isle Dubois around 10:45, 10:50, Pilot Front and Aubrey by 10:55. Once again, a tornadic thunderstorm has triggered a tornado warning for northern Denton County, southeastern Cook County, and southwestern Grayson County until 11:15. The storm near Valley View, moving east at 45 miles an hour, crossing I-35 now. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
I did. KHS we found it! Yes! Woo! A new station found! Drew. Oh no, Drew. I think about the issues to orders that's now the PDS. Because it's still right here. The TOR the confirmed not to stop the tornadoes. Look, now this is suspended. Cook County. Well, come on, G, do it. They have to do it. Oh no, it's now until 10:57, 10:58. It's still been issued to you, or it's been issued. Now obvious. Oh my God, Drew! I think I did TOR for Collin County. Our Collin County has been issued for PDS TOR. Yeah. North Texas obviously happy too with it. Regardless of the PDS TOR. That's the EF2. A tornado emergency for for North Texas. Oh my god, Drew called it, I called it. KC-56 is laying. It's take over the line now, immediately. It's talking on the SPR, the WBAP, I'm waiting for WBAP to activate. BDS! Oh, come on, Toledo, it's not kidding, dear. Roberts, George Justin Bridge, 09 miles southeast of St. John, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Here it comes. Come on, you freaking air. Highway 4 will be activated WBAP. Continues to your
National Weather Service is issuing a tornado warning for northeastern Denton County, northwestern Collin County, southeastern Cook County, and southern Grayson County until 11:45. A confirmed tornado is located over Lake Ray Roberts Johnson Branch, 9 miles northeast of center, moving east at 30 miles per hour. The Weather Service emphasizes this is a particularly dangerous situation. Take shelter now. This tornado is near Pilot Point at this moment, continuing past Ray Roberts Park Isle du Bois. Could be near Salina now by 11:15, and the town of Gunter in Grayson County by 11:25. Other locations in the path of this storm include Lake Ray Roberts, Cannon, Weston, Tioga, White Mountain, Farmington, Elmont, Altoga, and Westminster. Once again, a tornado warning issued for northeastern Denton County, northwestern Collin County, southeastern Cook County, and southern Grayson County until 11:45. A confirmed tornado over Lake Ray Roberts Park, moving east-southeast at 30 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
RPDS! I totally observed. How is this on my yard? How is that Collin County? True? No successful yet. Previous tornado warning, you'll get in the basement in the bathroom. Big order could have the Collins. Oh my god, Drew. It's confirmed tornadoes. This is a like extremely dangerous tornadoes. This is a particularly dangerous situation because it's still in the basement of the bathroom. Take shelter now. Once the WBAP KC-56 will be activated next sooner. I'll be this one will knock my god. What in the world is this something destroyed house? Oh my god. Oh. One more thing you have to do. Saturday! And a confirmed tornadoes this Saturday night! You had the red! You had the PDS-TR! Why this to the heavy tornado disruptive winds take shelter now? How we do the KISS FM or the EAS-TR?